yun na nga guys, welcome back to our Tapis Family Vacation Vlog for the year 2024. Andito na kami ngayon sa Terminal 1, Kuwait International Airport. Boarding kami at 11:35 AM. At what time na ba, Mami?
8:38.
8:38, so maaga pa. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo, Mami. Okay, so, disclaimer lang. So, itong vlog na to is personal vlog. Para ma-document lang yung family vacation, para makita in the future, makita ng mga bata kung ano may mga activities na ginagawa namin. So feel free to watch our videos guys if you'd like to. Ito po yung buhay OFW. Okay, so dito po kami sa Kuwait. Hey, Mami, let's go!
Yeah.
So ayan na guys, andito na kami sa gate 21. 9:26 pa lang. Ang flight namin is at 11:30 AM. So 10:30. Hello Mami.
Hello.
10:30 AM ang ating boarding. Yan si Mami Mela, kausap na CCA. So dito kami guys, gate 21. Mami, look here. Let's go. So yun nga guys, papasok na kami ngayon sa aircraft papuntang Bahrain. Tapos may layover kami doon for 8 hours kasi ang aming flight ay gabi pa. Okay. So yun na nga guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa loob ng airport papuntang Bahrain. It will take 1 hour lang ang travel namin. So pakita din namin sa inyo yung airport dun sa Bahrain. Okay? See you guys later. Bye!
Ready?
That's first. Okay tayo this time. Hindi ba na yung tsura mo?
Ang laki, no?
So yun nga guys, kalalapag lang namin dito sa Bahrain International Airport. Tignan natin guys kung gaano kaganda itong airport na to. Iba na yung itsura, mami, no? Yung last na visit na natin. Yan. So ngayon guys, tatambay muna kami dito for like almost 8 hours in yung layover. Then departure naman namin around 8 o'clock siguro, no? Papuntang Manila. Then pagka arrival natin sa Manila bukas
11.
at 11 AM, tapos pa Davao na naman kami around 6:40. Arrival namin sa Davao City would be 8:45 PM. Okay, so tour muna namin kayo dito sa Bahrain International Airport. Let's show them around. Yan. Parang siyang alas parehas yung itsura sa mami, Kuwait Airways na airport na terminal, diba?
Mas maganda to.
Mas maganda ba ito? Kasi ito may playground sa baba para sa mga bata. Tingnan nyo guys. So, yan, so pagka may layover kayo na longer hours, tapos may dala kayong mga bata, ayan, mag-enjoy pa rin sila. So pag nagugutom kayo, yung mga pagkain din tayo, may mga coffee shop din pala dito. Ayan. Ganda, tingnan natin, oh. Ganda. Kain ba tayo? Tingnan natin. Let's see. Okay guys, so yun guys, yan si mami. Ayan, magche-check muna kami kung saan yung gate namin na 19AB. Ayan, sa malayo, kitang-kita na namin yun, para pag alam na namin kung saan yung location namin, pwede kami mag-ikot-ikot kasi medyo malaki tong area na to, oh. Yan. Yan, ang laki. Oh, di ba? Napakaganda. Yep. May mga couches sila. So, very comfortable and cozy. Nag-aantay kayo ng for 8 hours gaya namin. Tingnan natin guys. Yun. Ito may mga shawarmahan dito. Oh, yun. Pero, tips lang pagka nagbabiyahe kayo. Mas okay kung less lang yung kainin nyo. Masyadong kumain pag nagbabiyahe. Yan. Ito, may KFC, Burger King. Nice. Mami, yung dito. Hi. Ayan na, nahanap na namin ang 19AB. Ayan, gates A, 19A and 19B. Ayan, tingnan natin. Yun. Diba? Okay. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo, mami. Let's go to Macdo.
Magduli.
Joke lang.
Of the city and the airport. We are not asking the quality engineering using the master, make sure that you secure the children's side. But thank you for choosing the final of there. Hope you are pleasant. Stay happy. Have a lovely day.
Hello guys, Manila na kami. See you soon.
Mami.
Pagod na.
So yun na nga guys. Padabaw na kami. Kami. Let's go! Mami, welcome to Davao. Davao. So yun na guys. Kami. Hello. Ha? Oo nga. Mommy. Hello. Are you excited with the kids? Okay. Welcome to Davao. We're back.
Doon tayo sa buhay ng daddy.
Oo, dapat. Doon tayo sa kabila.
Daddy. So sila. Where are they? Daddy, wait natin. Kawayan natin. Ayun na sila. Go, go, go! Ito na ka, ito.
Mommy! Wait, wait. Okay, slowly.
Go, kuya.
Thank you, sir. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Sige, sige, sige. Sige, sige, sige. Yan. Sanay na kayo pag biyahe tayo.
Help mo si Kuya Marky. Ano, Matt? Kaya? Hello! O, saan na? Saan na tayo?
Asan?
What's up, man? Yung may sadi? Ang dati ah.
Hug mommy, go hug mommy. Hug mommy.
You okay?
It's okay. We're here. We're here, CA. Let's go! Let's go! Tumakbo!
Sige, mami. Video mo kaya.
Ah, mami, nandun sila.
Slowly.
Hello!
We have to be quiet. That's right here.
Gini wala pa.
Wala pa ba?
Ano naman pa.
Nasusugagian siguro pa no. Yung manok siguro.
Okay.
Let's go out. Wait, Daddy, quiet.
Okay.
Atina's right there.
Mami, your window.
Don't get seen. Don't get seen.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's my baseball?
Tapos gini.
Ito, ito na po. Si.
Ako siguro ako yung parking floor daan diha.
Ay, pala, ilagay mo dun pa.
Be quiet. Because
Okay, Marky.
Quiet.
Kuya, hawakan mo daw, kuya. Hawakan mo daw,
Labanti lang eh.
Abiga.
Labanti Ken.
Nice.
Sige. Up! Ana. Tayo labanti. Problema. Hindi, labanti.
Nak, tulungan niyo sila ate. Oh. Nak.
Una na.
Nauna na daw siya.
Ako stainless.
Nana.
Nakalimutan na eh.
Ako pero kung stainless kinabi.
Sabi nga ni, nakatulong mo na lagay mo.
Mag-ano pa ako, mag-deliver, tapos
Ay, ngayon?
mga bata. Oo, mag-deliver ko mga bata.
Ah, magbalik kayo dito?
Ako? Bukas. Punta ko dito bukas.
Ah, mag-uwi ka na din pala.
Kasi sila yung alis
Oo nga, late oh. Pwedeng kinadi ka na.
Yeah, welcome.
Tugs.
Mark, uba kung ano.
Uy, uy, ang kinit ko ah. Ang stainless. Asa ko ra? Ang karton pod. Oh, kanang karton ug kanang stainless. Oh, sulod din na sala.
Nakatulong yung si ano, Daddy Ken, no?
I realized Athena is sleeping.
It's too much. Why are you here? Why are you mad, Marco?
See? Ha? Where's Mami Lalay? Ay, basta lang ako.
Hey, nakasmile siya. Oh. Nakasmiley!
Nakadungog siya ba?
They're here.
I've never seen Athena
Bata man lagi.
Nakadungog si
Pawak mo na. Nak. Video na ko. Nak. May video.
You want sleeper? Yes, where's your sleeper?
Daddy, I want to get a...
Hi, Tijane!
Ha?
Musta?
Wait, let's make a video first.
Yay! With Athena. Athena, you want to be included to the video?
Kainin, ganyan.
Yay! You're included.
Did you miss me?
Nagsmile siya eh. Pagkagising niya, nagising.
Yes, I went to the airport.
And then you go here.
Tulong nga yan siya nag-bedsheet sa taas. Kay
Ah!
doon daw kayo matulog niya. Doon daw siya matulog.
That's my jacket. You don't remember my jacket anymore in Kuwait?
Wow!
Remember?
54!
Eh, grabe uy.
You're almost so white. Almost so white.
O, go to Mami Lalay.
Ako lang or nagburot yung bawbang.
Oh,
Mami,
para.
Oh, muna gamitin yan.
I want
sige pa.
to go open. I want to go open.
Okay, let's open it.
No, I want to.
Mel,
Give me the doing.
kain muna tayo.
Yeah.
Sa ta?
It's with me. Are you happy?
Wait for it. Oh, you're not really eating.
Kaya pala din yung nag-charge yung ano ko.
Tapo mo na yan, Matt, ha? Dispose mo na maayos yan. Nak, lagay mo to.
Yung bago.
Ha? Oo.
Kain na tayo. That's land.
Come on, let's eat.
That's it. Ganun, Tina?
Kulang.
That's it.
You're not here. Wow. What are you waiting? You're waiting for?
Daddy,
For
everything
your
is
what?
low quality in our house.
You're waiting for
Yes.
mommy.
You're waiting for me?
Oh my God. Can you open this?
Wow, you're unicorn!
Unicorn has a very long neck.
Yes.
Mommy.
Okay, well, let's eat this. Let's eat.
It's for me.
Yeah.
Meron pa yun, Mami, eh.
Looking for?
There's another one.
I know it's for me.
Okay, Daddy, they're looking for apple.
Okay, it's time.
Wait, let's eat
Daddy,
first.
mag-eat.
Let's eat first. Let's eat first.
Kasi
Then Apple Watch, okay?
baka wala nang reaction. I'm so hungry.
Come on, hey, let's eat first before the apple, before you...
Why?
Why?
I don't want.
Why?
Come here.
Huh?
I want to stop.
Let's eat first, come on. Then we will open your Apple Watch. Okay? Come on.
Already 18.
It's okay. Just eat a little bit with me. Come. Then we'll open your Apple Watch. I'll show you your Apple Watch. I'll just show you then. Come here. Open this.
This bag
This bag.
here.
Yes, just open it. Do not. It's there, huh? Okay. Later. Okay. You're so happy. Your Apple Watch.
Something that.
Okay.
Daddy, come
That's it.
let's eat first.
Ang maliit.
Daddy, lock.
Here.
Daddy, it's not. No, it's not your daddy. Daddy, Mom. No, it's not your daddy. Daddy, I like to stay with you.
Hindi niya alam.
Mommy. Hey, Natina.
Ayaw.
It's not your mommy and daddy. I love
wait.
Goyala so much.
Di na yalam pa.
Why?
Wait.
Won't like it.
Come here.
I want Mommy Alvine.
Ha? No, let's go there. Sino na lang dyan sa harap?
Mommy Alvine, come here.
Kaya man tayo mo di mommy, di man. Ay, wait. Yeah.
Come on.
Come on.
Just transfer at the back when mama's here.
Yeah. Go. Move there.
Diyan ka lang.
Daddy, bye.
Diyan ka lang.
Come on.
Hello, Tina.
Daddy, you have music.
I know.
Okay.
Don't stop. Did you love baby dogs?
Ha?
Mommy Alvine, did you love baby dogs?
Yeah. Where are we going?
Baby dogs.
We're going to get some baby dogs.
Wait, where did I bring this?
From Papa's house. Oh, thank you!
Daddy, lock the door.
Baseball!
No, wait. You can play with this one. This one. Lock na?
Hindi.
Wait,
No open.
wait.
Open.
Later in the house, okay?
Yeah.
Yan, oh.
The house. You think I'm gonna disconnect? You think we're gonna disconnect?
Okay, we're going somewhere. Bye.
Sit down, Marky. JB, Joe, sit down, please. Sit down. Can I eat? Sit down. Si Papa, sit down.
Iyaw na yung mga regalo.
Yaway.
Hindi po na regalo.
Okay, let's start. Let's begin because they're excited.
Mark. Ang makadaw tayo nila.
Oh, sayang. Anak po. Higiling.
I don't want to dance.
Okay. Let's start with Kuya. This is for Kuya Marky. Open.
open.
Oh, open.
Sige ba?
Paano daw yun?
Kuya Matman!
Hey!
Kuya si... Baoy.
Hey, how to open this?
Like this.
Be careful ha, be careful.
Ano eh? Ito yan. Ito yan. Chocolate pala yan, chocolate.
Be careful ha, when you are...
White chocolate.
Upside down.
No, that is a white chocolate. Yo. Uy.
It's not a chocolate.
Start with the device first. Start with the device.
Uy, watch.
Ito?
Yo.
Careful ha, Marky! Mahulog, Marky! Natara! Ah!
Wow.
Oh!
Yo.
Oh my god.
Okay, this one's yours.
It's a gold.
Oh! Ganda!
Comes with a cute charger.
Ano pala to?
I-push mo palabas.
Push. Paano ba i-open yan? Kalimutan.
I-push mo lang palabas. Yan. Yan.
Long press.
This.
Open this one
I'm
first.
gonna get my phone now.
Wait! Open it first!
Yes.
We're
There.
not opening it
Ay,
yet.
not that one. Not that one.
Press here. Long press.
Oh, wait.
Here
Pakita
from
mo
the side. Be
natin
careful,
dalawa.
ha?
This.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ano to, mami?
Hmm.
Ano to?
Oh!
Yes. Wait, wait.
Di ba pwede man to sa AirPods? Ha?
Yes.
Ito, open yan sa AirPods.
Oh. Let's sit down.
Daddy, yung mga ano nila.
Ay! Yung mga ano nyo pala, yung mga cases! Chargers! Come on!
Nasa bag ko yung iba. Akin na, dito ka kasi. Oh.
Daddy.
Ganyan.
Wala rin kasi
Daddy.
Yan, ganyan. Hey, what happened? Wait.
I don't know what to do.
Oh, come here, come here. Wait.
Oh, there's a watch.
Matt, tulungan mo si ano? Tulungan mo si ano, Matt? Tulungan mo si... Go to Kuya Mamat. Because I'm taking a video. Hello, Tina. I love you too, Tina. Come here.
Please.
Guys.
Ooh! Here, oh look, there's a watch app.
I love you too.
Bar soap mo, bar soap.
Bar soap.
Kay si Ian.
Bar soap.
I
Kaluoy na.
love you daw.
Kaluoy na.
Matt.
Unicorn na kayo. Unicorn na kayo. Unicorn. Itanggal na po niya rin.
It's connected.
Taan.
Wait, what?
Oh, careful, Marky.
Take this.
Daddy.
We got it.
Oh, pa, oh. Sina, kisa na, kay? Pa. Pa.
Lari ako ha.
Bar soap mo pa.
Pa, tara.
Bar soap.
Pa, tara pa.
Where's my
Pa.
bar soap?
Ah!
Bar soap mo.
Echo lang naman yan. Echo lang naman yan.
Oy, anong brand ito?
Echo na pa.
Safeguard.
Thank you.
Ayaw, papay. Ikaw ba mo ganahan kag mano-mano eh. Ako atang ipapag mano-mano ni.
I don't know where you placed
Ayos
it.
kayo ni.
Ay, set up pa pala to.
Mama, I wanna, don't touch
Kasya pa?
this is powered by
Look, yours is... I think yes.
Na, si. Tama pa. Anak siya niya.
Daddy!
Push.
Ano ma?
Mama!
Hindi lang to yung box yung original.
Bobby!
Itanggal mo ang box ma kay
Bobby,
kasi ano
Daddy.
question mo sa ano ba sa
Daddy.
customs.
Kailangan mo to i-adjust
Yes, we
na.
will fit one. We have a lot. You have a lot. Don't worry. There's a lot of.
I only found this.
Don't worry, we have a lot. We kept it somewhere.
Ah,
Sabi pa na ako ni.
tama naman yan sa'yo ma.
Go tsaka kayo?
Oh, napay.
Nana siya pa. Kanina. Ano yan?
Daddy! Ay, ang laki lang!
I don't know where she placed
Tama naman yan sa'yo.
Tama na ma. Pang rubo-rubo ni mo, pang bukid.
Ang ganda nga oh!
Fossil lang naman yan.
Pabawasan mo ma kung kanong kalaki yung...
Oo.
Kasi ngayon,
Mahal ba ito?
Ha?
Mahal ba ito?
Look, I only found this.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, pangdato.
Come on.
punsa ko naman yun.
Pajas na ma kay Papa ma.
Oh,
Si Ate Jade.
Ah. Yeah, Papa.
Ate Jade, the jaw.
Kuha na pa. Muna siyang...
Oo.
Kuha na nini.
Ah.
Muna yung adjustment
I
niya.
don't know about her.
Kilala ko yung battery niya pa.
It's okay.
Away
Wala
na battery.
wala pa na yung battery pa.
Ah, okay.
Wala pa nag-battery.
You just fix your ano.
I don't know how to place this.
Oh, wait lang, si Daddy will ano.
I think.
Tejo! JB!
Why my app? I will...
Wait, Tina! Wait a minute! We're gonna give something to Ate Sho and... Huh?
Ate JB, lumabas ka dyan! Daddy, where to place this?
I will help you, don't worry. Can I just video first? I will help you.
Right here?
I will.
Ate Sho, where's Ate Sho?
Okay, wait.
Ano?
Wow!
JM.
Just...
Wow! Open!
Open it!
Open!
Ano sa'yo mga Jo?
No,
Cellphone yapon Jo? Yaw.
Samsung ba? Samsung.
Yawon Juju. Murang di na mga drawing ang Juju na.
Daddy, ano to? I-share ko yun.
Dato na mo ha.
Analytics man yan.
it's so nice.
Thank you.
Op! Turn on! I-on!
Oh, naong ni Juju nung gaw siya ba?
Mo ba nang gipindot? Mo ba nang on? Di man on sa gilid. Ang power button, kabalo.
Nakuha na siya ba? Ito sa excited ka ba? Nakurong na.